Good morning, students. Now, today I am going to explain the topic regarding the first printed books. Understand? And how the first printed books now inculcated and shaped the minds of the European people, and now help in the bringing about the reawakening, or a help in the creating the scientific atmosphere in the entire Europe, which is known as the Renaissance. Understand? The first day before the advent of the printing press, it was the books were being printed through the wood blocks technology in the China. First of all, later on, it's now it came to the Japan. Understand? Or it was done on the accordion papers. That was a very transparent paper, and the papers for that escaping the ink percolations. It was the now being folded in many times. Understand? Or this was the best suited paper supposed to be the understand, or the wood block system. The words were printed. Now, students, and first of all, this um, printed system now experienced or the known by the Europeans through the Marco Polo. And you know very well that at the very early age, the Marco Polo now just reached and arrived at the uh, court of the Kublai Khan, great Kublai Khan of the China, and the where he stayed for the many years. And now understand, and during that time, Marco Polo now stayed there, or he was very close or intimate to the. So, first of all, the this printing press, the wood blocks printing press, was brought by the Marco Polo, and it was later on carried to the other parts of the Europe. Understand? So this was the beginning of printing press, and before the this wood block printing, understand, the manuscripts, the books were written and composed through the manuscripts, but manuscripts composition was the very time consuming, or it was the very hardworking, time consuming, and it was not suitable for the uh, handling this the voluminous books written in hands, and it was a very limited. So the education and the knowledge was the very limited, and it was not massively. It was not just a reach out to the common man's and the at the threshold of the common man. Understand? Moreover, people see the other country wanted paintings. One thing is that if you see in Italy, in the field of the paintings, in the field of the architectures, understand, the ancient Roman fragments, on the basis of the ancient Roman remains and the fragments, understand, the Renaissance artists, understand, they follow those traditions and the accuracy of the sculptures and the painting of the Roman and Greeks, ancient Roman and the Greeks, and as well as, but in case of the written words, we can see what was written in Italy traveled to the other countries. In the Italy, I have already mentioned that. Now, Marco Polo, he brought, understand, the wooden blocks printing, and this was the carried to the other parts of the Europe and traveled to the other. This was because of the greatest revolutions of the 16th century. Next thing is that the first breakthrough of the printing press, this was the experienced, and this was the revealed in Germany. Gutenberg who invented the printing press. Understand? Or it was the first mechanic printing press, and first time the Bible's copies of the 150 was printed. Understand? And it was ever larger volumes of the Bibles at once, and that took the 2 years. This printing took the 2 years, and then after it was the spread to the other parts of the Europe. For this, Europeans were indebted to the other people's Chinese. Now I have already mentioned that Europeans were no doubt indebted indebted to the Chinese people, and for printing technology, and to the Mongol rulers, because European traders and the diplomats had become the very familiar with its during visits to the their courts. Understand? And moreover, this was also the case with the three other important innovations: the firearms, compass, and the abacus. Understand? This has been the now came from the China. Understand? And this was the earlier text existed in a few hands written copies in the 1455. Now the Gutenberg ultimately Gutenberg got the success or got the success of the getting the printing press, or 150 copies of the Bibles were printed in the works of the Johannes Gutenberg. The Germans who made the first printing press, now the Gutenberg, earlier a monk would have taken the same amount of the time write out one copy of the Bible. Now understand, the 2 years would have been the taken to write down the one Bibles. But in the within the 2 years, 150 copies were printed out. Understand? Moreover, 15 by the 1500, many classical texts, nearly all in Latin, had been the printed in Italy. First of all, and as printed books became the available, it was possible to buy the. One thing is that before the printing press, that before the invention of the printing press, understand, books were very costly, the manuscripts were very costly, it was beyond the access and the reach of the common man. Understand? As the printing press, books began to be the printed out, understand, through the printing press, it was a very uh, uh, this was a very cheaper, understand, and the very easily reach out the threshold of the common man. Understand? So the even the common man began to study the about the knowledge, study about the knowledge of the scientist, about the principles given by the scientists, and as well as the thoughts given by the politicians and the diplomats, and the other intellectuals that begin to reach out very easily to the common man. As a, by going through these books and the tracts, the common man imbibed with the knowledge or inculcated, and the various kinds of the ideas begin to centered in their minds, or the conflicting ideas debating, so that in this way their mind and the critical ideas begin to become, and that shaped the a critical mind, it shaped the inculcated a critical mind, and that critical mind led towards the arguments and the reasoning, and reasoning argument experiment, and that ultimately paved the way for the birth of the a scientific tempers, creating a scientific tempers. So in this way, this far and wide, these books begin to become, ideas begin to become through the printing presses, through the printing books. And this as the printed books became available, possible to the buy them in, because this became the common man, even at a very low price, they could have the, they could now purchase this, and the students did not have to depend solely on the lecture notes, and the students had not to be the depend solely on the lectures notes. Ideas, opinions, and the information, the ideas and the opinions and the information moved more widely and the more rapidly than the ever before. Understand? With and the ideas, scientific ideas, or the sociological ideas, or the ideas of the different fields began to be the easily moved from one place to the other place through these books, or printed books promoting the new ideas very quickly reach hundreds of the readers. And this also made it possible for the individuals to read the books. And moreover, since it was the possible for buying the copies for the oneself, because it was the cheaper, it was easily accessible, and this developed the reading habits among the people, so that this created a reading culture in the entire Europe. There were two kinds of the peoples in the Europe. First, a reading culture or a hearing culture. Understand? The readers say those who had the knowledge, who could read and the write. Understand? They used to now, in the public or in the saloon or the public places or even in the villages, the reading culture, now they they shouted, they now read out very loudly, and now this was easily listened by the common man. And through that listening and through that hearing, the common man also imbibed with the knowledge. So this multiplied the knowledge in the European society. Understand? Or the chief regions of that humanist culture of Italy spread more rapid across the Alps from the end of the 15th century. And this knowledge was centered in the uh, Italy. Understand? Then after it made its cross to the Alps and reached out to the other parts of the Europe, and printed books were circulated very quickly. And this also explained why the earlier intellectuals movements had been limited to the particular regions. Understand? And students, now today I am going to stop this. Understand? Later on, the next topic, a new concept of the human beings, I will teach you. Thank you very much.